This video will demonstrate the use of special tool Camshaft Locking Tool. Camshaft Locking Tool comes as a set of two tools. It is used in combination with other tools to fix or find out the position of camshaft with respect to the position of crankshaft while performing the various tasks in diesel engines such as timing chain removal and installation, on-vehicle timing inspection and assembly of camshaft housing. This special tool is used on the camshaft housing after removing two plugs given on the housing and installing the tool in the recess given on the camshafts. Using Camshaft Locking Tool. To use this special tool during on-vehicle timing inspection and timing chain removal or installation, gain access to the camshaft housing by removing all the necessary components. Locate and remove plugs given on the camshaft housing. Align the camshaft recess with the plug hole by rotating the crankshaft in the clockwise direction. At this position, all four pistons are on the same level and all the valves are in an overlap position. Lock the camshafts by inserting and tightening the special tool into the plug holes. To use this special tool during assembly of camshafts in the housing, align the camshaft recess with the plug holes by rotating the inlet and exhaust side camshafts. Lock the camshafts by inserting and tightening the special tool into the plug holes. Advantages and benefits. This tool helps to locate the camshafts accurately at a reference position with respect to the crankshaft position. This prevents any possible damage to the engine part and lack of engine performance due to timing mismatch. This tool also helps to quickly do the on-vehicle timing check and saves time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.